Who will tell me what is single parent family? Okay, Honey Garg. Yes, Honey Garg, unmute yourself. Yes, Honey Garg, unmute yourself, Honey Garg. Yes, Honey Garg, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
What is single parent family? What is single parent family?
मैम जिसमें मदर फादर दो बच्चे होते हैं.
No, no, no. Not that, wrong. Mute yourself. Okay. Some other children. Some other children. Okay. Avni is raising a hand. Okay, Avni, unmute yourself. Avni.
Yes, ma'am.
What is single parent family? Can you tell me what is single parent family?
Parents or children?
No, no. You have not studied, na? Yesterday I told you that I will take revision test of 4th chapter. Avni, did you study yesterday? No, Avni? Avni, did you study yesterday?
No, ma'am.
Why? I told you that I will take revision test of 4th chapter, na? Didn't I tell you that I will be taking revision test of 4th chapter? Beta, you have to study. Unless you will not study, how you will come to know what I have taught? Now mute yourself. Okay. Vaibhav Sharma, unmute yourself. What is single parent family?
मैम उसमें फादर मदर रहते हैं वो है सिंगल फैमिली.
No, not fully correct. In which only father or only mother is there. What it is? In which there is only father or only mother. That is what is called single parent family. Got it, Vaibhav?
ठीक है मैम.
Vaibhav, did you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mute yourself. Okay, next, who will tell me what is joint family? Who will tell me what is joint family? Raise your hands. Yes, joint family. Okay, Vartika. Vartika Jindal, what is joint family? Yes, Vartika, what is joint family?
मैम जिसमें सब लोग मिल जाते हैं.
What? सब लोग means what? सब लोग means what? कौन कौन होते हैं उसमें? Who all are there?
Cousins.
Cousins, yes.
Uncle, aunt.
Uncles, aunts, yes, very good.
Father, mother.
Father, mother, yes.
Or children.
Children, you have missed one. You have missed one, the main person. Okay, I will tell you. That is grandfather. Who it is? Vartika, who it is? Grandfather. Yes, Vartika?
Grandfather.
Yes, got it, Vartika?
Grandfather.
So what is a joint family? What do you mean by joint family, or what is a joint family? It is the family in which parents, grandparents, uncles, aunts and their children live together.
मैम बहुत अच्छी से नहीं आ रहा है.
So that is what is called joint family. Okay? Okay, mute yourself. Okay, who will tell me what is nuclear family? What is nuclear family? Yes. Acha, listen, all of you have to put your photograph in this, and you have to write your name, surname, and plus class and section also. You have to mention your class and section also. So that I should know from which section or which class you are. Okay, all of you have to, and your photograph should be there in that DP. Okay, now who will tell me what is nuclear family? Okay, Vansh Pratap Singh. Vansh Pratap Singh, unmute yourself. What is nuclear family, Vansh?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, what is nuclear family, Vansh?
जिसमें mother, father और
Yes, mother,
child
father, or
होते हैं.
yes, one or two children are there. How many children?
जिसमें child
One or
1
two
or
children.
2.
So how you will say this? A family in which father, mother, and their one or two children live is called nuclear family. Got it, Vansh?
Family. जिसमें
Okay.
father,
Yes,
mother.
father, mother. Okay. Now, who will tell me what is family? Who will tell me what is family? Who will tell me what is family? Yes, Gauri Chauhan. Unmute yourself, Gauri. What is family? What is family? Family क्या होती है गौरी? What is family?
Family is members.
Members and more detail.
Members or
They are living together. Members that are living together in a house is called family. When all the members like father, mother, brother, sister, all are living in a house together, that is what is called a family. You have your father, mother, your brother, sister, you are living together in a house, na? That is what is called family. Got it, Gauri?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, mute yourself. Okay, now who will tell me what is the other name for nuclear family? What is the other name for nuclear family? Nuclear family is also called some with other name. Yes, who will tell me? Okay, Agrim Sharma. Agrim Sharma, unmute yourself. Agrim Sharma. Yes, Agrim. What is the other name for nuclear family? Agrim, your voice is not coming. Agrim. Agrim, your voice is not coming. Okay, I'm muting yourself. Okay. Okay. Ashi Garg. Okay, Ashi Garg, unmute yourself. Ashi Garg, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, what is the other name for nuclear family? What do you call nuclear family?
Ma'am, small family.
Yes, very good. What do you call the other name? It is small family or nuclear family. Okay, mute yourself. It is small family or nuclear family. Okay. Now, who will tell me what all things? What is a big family? What is a big family? Okay, few children are raising their hand. Then I will ask each and everyone from my own. Okay, let's see who will say the answer. Okay, Paridhi Gaur. Paridhi, unmute yourself, Paridhi. Paridhi. Yes, Paridhi Gaur. Paridhi. Paridhi, your voice is not coming, beta. Okay, I'm muting you. Yes, Paridhi, your voice has come. Just yes, Paridhi, what it is? What is Paridhi? Okay, Paridhi has gone. Okay. Okay, Himanshi. Himanshi, unmute yourself. Himanshi. Himanshi, you have to unmute yourself. Then minds. Okay, Manya Agarwal. Manya Agarwal. Beta, you are just sitting like that. You are not listening what I'm saying. Manya. Manya Agarwal. Yes, Manya Agarwal, you have to unmute yourself. Yes, Manya.
Actually, ma'am, hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
एक्चुअली क्या मैम है नहीं है, वो आज का घर पर नहीं है, तो मैं क्लास ले रही हूँ उसकी.
Okay,
Mother
ma'am.
is.
Okay, mute yourself. Okay. Okay, who will tell me this answer? No one is raising the hand. I am just taking everyone's name. Okay, Mohit Kumar. Mohit Kumar, unmute yourself. Mohit Kumar. Beta, if you will not answer me, how I will come to know that you know the answer? Yes, Savya Mittal. Savya Mittal, you have raised your hand. Unmute yourself. Yes, Savya Mittal. What is big family?
Big family.
Yes. Yes, Mohit Kumar, tell me. Okay. Mohit Kumar, tell me what is big family? What all things are there in big family? What all members are there in big family? Beta, you have to, if you will not unmute yourself, how I will come to know that you know the answer or you are not, or you want to say the answer? Okay, let's see. Avni, okay, Avni, you have raised your hand. Okay, Avni, unmute yourself, Avni.
Yes, ma'am.
You have raised your hand. What is big family? Tell me what is big
Father,
family?
mother, father, mother, two brothers, two or three sisters.
Better, you don't say like this. Father, mother, and more than 2 or 3 children. Okay, more than 2 children. Okay, Avni?
Okay,
What is
ma'am.
big family? A big family is in
Father,
which
mother.
there is father, mother, and more than 2 children. Now repeat. Now repeat what it is, big family.
Father, mother, and two or three children.
More than 2 children. More than
More than 2 children.
2 children. More than 2 children is okay, whether it is 3, whether it is 4, whether there are 5. So it will all come in more than 2 children. Got it? So that is what is called big family. Okay. Have you understood, Abni?
Yes, ma'am.
Mute yourself.
बिग फैमिली कौन सा मैम बार-बार कह बिग फैमिली बता.
Okay, Mohit.
Yes, ma'am.
Mohit, what is the other name for joint family? What is the other name for joint family? Joint family को हम दूसरे नाम से कैसे बुलाते हैं?
नंबर बताओ ना.
Mohit, did you yes?
Grandmother, grandfather, uncle, auntie, children.
That is joint family, that I know, but it is, what is the other name for joint family? Other name is large family. Large family जो होती है, that is what is called joint family.
Joint family.
Okay, mute yourself. Yes, Mohit, mute yourself. Okay. Acha, you will tell me, what do we celebrate in what do we celebrate in okay, what all things, acha, what boys can help their parents, how boys can help their parents, how boys can help their parents at home? Can you tell me how boys can help their parents at home? Okay, there, Kratika Kushwa. Kratika, unmute yourself. Kratika Kushwa, unmute yourself. Kratika Kushwa, unmute yourself. Okay, let's, Devik Gupta. Devik Gupta.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, what boys, how boys can help their parents? How boys can help their parents?
Boys.
हाँ, boys कैसे help करते हैं parents? Boys अपने parents
from the
market. Okay, very good. Boys can help their parents by watering the plants and bring the articles from the market. Got it, David?
Market.
Yes. Okay, mute yourself. Okay, who will tell me how girls can help their parents? How girls can help their parents? Disha Singh. Diksha Singh. Okay, Diksha, unmute yourself, Diksha. Diksha, you have raised your hand. Unmute yourself, beta. Yes, Diksha, how girls can help their parents?
Yes, ma'am.
How girls can help their parents?
Yes.
Girls, नहीं, girls कैसे help करती है अपने parents को? Girls अपने parents को कैसे help करती हैं?
Ma'am, to cleaning our home.
She helps in cleaning, yes. Or any other?
Cooking. Ma'am, she has to cooking.
No, beta, small children can't cook, na. She can help their parents by taking care of their small children. अपने छोटे भाई बहनों के साथ खेलती हैं, उनका ध्यान रखती हैं. Helping mother in kitchen. Helping mother in kitchen. Okay, Diksha? Got it, Diksha?
Ma'am, to care their small brother.
To take care of their small brother or sisters. Anyone it can be. Okay, Diksha? Now mute yourself. Okay. Now, how can we help each other in the family? How can we help each other in the family? हम एक दूसरे की help कैसे कर सकते हैं? How can we help each other in family? Okay, Nishta Mittal has an yes, Nishta, unmute yourself.
Loving and caring.
Yes, by loving and caring and helping each other. एक दूसरे की हेल्प करके हम एक दूसरे की हेल्प कर सकते हैं ना फैमिली. बाय शेयरिंग द वर्क डन, हम अपना वर्क शेयर कर सकते हैं. ओके, गॉट इट निष्ठा?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, mute yourself. Okay, who will tell me? People who live together in a house is called? People who live together in a house is called? People who live together in a house is called? Yes, Savya Mittal. People who live in a house is called? Savya, you have to unmute yourself for that. Yes, Savya, people who live together in a house are called?
Yes, ma'am.
Those who live together
मैम आपने
in a
क्या
house.
बोला?
People who live together in a house are called? Those who live together, जो एक साथ रहते हैं. What are they called in a house? When your father, mother, you and all stay together na, in a house, what you call your house?
Joint family. Joint family.
That is, joint family comes later. First it is called family. When people live together in a house is called family. Got it, Savya? Yes, Savya, did you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, mute yourself now. Okay, who will tell me? We learn dash in a family. We learn, what we learn from the family? Who will tell me what we learn from the family? What we learn from the family? Who will tell me what we learn from the family? Beta, I want that you should raise your hand. You have not revised the chapter till now. Divyansh Gupta, I told you yesterday that I will be taking revision test of chapter 4. Yesterday only I told you. Okay, Divyansh Gupta, unmute yourself. Divyansh Gupta, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, so much time you are taking. Okay, just tell me what we learn in a family. What all things we learn in a family? Family में हम क्या सीखते हैं? What your parents, father, mother teach you? What you learn in a family?
Good manners सीखते हैं.
Good manners सीखते हैं.
Yes, we learn good manners. What we learn in the family? We learn good manners. हम अच्छी आदतें सीखते हैं. Got it, Divyansh?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
Divyansh, you have studied the chapter, 4th chapter you have studied all. Yes, Divyansh?
Yes,
Did you
ma'am.
study yesterday? I don't think so. You
Yes,
have studied. Mama is saying the answer. Okay. Okay, now I will ask you, in which family there are uncles, aunts, grandfathers? In which family there are uncle, aunts, grandfathers, grandparents, and children? Who will tell me this answer? Naisa. Naisa, unmute yourself. Naisa, unmute yourself. Yes, Naisa, you have to unmute yourself to give me the answer. Naisa, unmute yourself. Okay, Rajesh, Shivani. Rajesh, Shivani, unmute yourself. Yes, Rajesh, Shivani. Rajesh, Shivani, what we call in which their uncle, aunts, grandfathers, parents, and their children live. What do we call them? What do we call them? In which family do we call that? In which there are joint uncles, aunts, and their childrens, their grandpa, parents, father, mother. What you call them? Beta, your voice is not coming clear. Put your mic near your mouth. बेटा उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? In which their grandpa, father is there, grandparents are there, father, mother, uncle, aunt is there, parents are there. उन सबको हम क्या कहते हैं? What call that? Which family it is? Beta, your voice is not coming. Say loudly or put your mic near your mouth. Still your voice is not coming. Beta, okay, I'm muting you. Your voice is not coming. Okay, Anushka Agarwal. Anushka Agarwal, unmute yourself. Anushki Agarwal. Anushki. Okay, Honey Garg. Honey Garg, unmute yourself. Honey Garg, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Which what family we call that in which there are grandparents, father, mother, uncle, aunts are there and their children are there? Which family we call that? What is that family called? In which there are grandparents, parents, uncle, aunts, and their children. Which family is that called?
Joint family.
Yes, it is called
Joint family. Ma'am,
Okay, okay. Yes.
मैम हम आज पे अपना स्टिकर कैसे लगाए?
Beta, that your parents will tell you. You have to put your screen, put your photograph in that. Okay. Okay. Mute yourself. Okay. Acha, how many members are there in joint family? Who will tell me how many members are there? How many members are there in joint family? How many members are there in joint family? Okay, Gauri Chauhan. Gauri, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
How many members are there in joint family?
12.
How come you can tell 12? कौन से? Can you name them?
Father,
Yes.
parents,
Yes. Father में बेटा
Grand-
parents आ गए. Father में parents आ गए. Parents means father and mother.
okay, grandparents, uncle,
Grandparents. Yes.
uncle, aunt,
Aunt.
and children's.
So how many are there?
12.
Not 12 beta, two grandparents, two parents, then uncle, aunt, 5, 6, and their children 6, 7. So you can say more than 6 members. What you can say more than 6 members. When there are people more than 6 members, they are called
Joint family.
Yes. Okay. Mute yourself now. Now, who cooks food delicious? Who cooks food? Who will tell me who cooks food? Who will tell me who cooks food? Who cooks food for you? Who will tell me who cooks food for you? Okay, who will tell me? Okay, Savya Mittal. Okay, Savya, unmute yourself. Yes, Savya, who cooks food for you?
Mother cooks food.
Mother cooks food. Mother cooks food for you. And who earns money for you? Who earns money for you?
मनी कौन कमाता है?
मनी कौन अर्न करता है? पैसे कौन
Father.
कमाता है? Father. Okay, mute yourself, beta.
Father.
Okay. Okay, now listen, children. We have completed this chapter. I had taken the revision test, and maybe the test will be on Saturday. So you will be having test maybe on Saturday. So I will take test tomorrow. I will take test of chapter 5. Okay, all of you. Tomorrow I will take the revision test of chapter 5. All of you pay attention over here. Tomorrow, now I will not ask you to raise your hand. I will just take one children and I will ask one children all the answers. So tomorrow I will be taking revision test of chapter 5th chapter in SST. Got it, all of you? Now mute yourself. Now we are ending with this class. Tomorrow we will meet.